What is up, guys? Deadlock Jesh here, and today I'm going to be doing a Supreme unboxing. Stay tuned. Unbagging. Stay tuned.
The world is this.
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
So, if you saw my first Dad Reacts video, link is right here if you want to see it, then you guys know I was wearing a fake bogo. And you guys totally roasted me in the comments for it.
You are one pathetic loser.
But in my defense, I didn't even buy it. It was a gift, and it was my first piece of Supreme clothing. I didn't know what to look for. I didn't even know what bogo meant. I thought it meant buy one, get one. Most of you guys are but some of you guys were cool and helped me figure out why my sweater was fake. Shout out to the guy below especially. After that bad experience on Grailed, I decided not to shop anywhere except the Supreme website for Supreme gear. That way I know I'm getting 100% real Supreme gear, not Fugazi. Now before I unbox my contrast hoodie, I want to show you my other two pieces of Supreme gear straight from the website. First up is the Supreme world famous 1994 zip up. Nothing too flashy, it's nice. I believe it was about 150 bucks. As you can see, it has the YKK on the zipper, and it has the red Supreme tag right here, and it says made in Canada, and it also has the Supreme tag right here. Next up is another new edition of Supreme gear. Here we got this old navy blue Supreme hoodie, no zipper, just the hoodie. As you can see, it has gold and purple letters, really nice. This is actually a gift from my cousin. It's brand new, really nice. And the funny part is that he actually got this as a gift, but he's not really into Supreme, so he just gave it to me. So shout out to Dylan. Really nice. The letters feel nice too. Really cool.
Times is getting hard when it's blind. I swear to God, I even got caught trying to steal from the junkyard. A born terror, a rebel without a pause. I never had a good Christmas, so who was Santa Claus? I walk the streets at night with my head down in this little town.
Last but not least, let's unbox this contrast hoodie. Traditional bag. Looks nice. Ooh, got some stickers. Supreme. Alright, let's open this up. Woo! This is nice. So this is my contrast hoodie. Really cool. The inside is red, and it says Supreme right here, so you know it's Supreme. Like the inside too. Really nice.
Cash rules everything around me. Queen, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men, so then we moved to Shaolin Land. A young youth, you're rocking the go-to, low goose, only way I...
So this one also has the YKK zipper. I'm gonna try it on.
Show us your tits.
No. That out of here, it's fake. This was about $150. Still has the tag in it. About $158. Alright guys, this is the sweater. What do you think? Looks good?
Yes, bitch, yes.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
Looks bad. Personally, I like it. It's nice and light. Really like it. It's soft on the inside. Feels good. Really like it. The Supreme logo is right here. It's very small, very subtle. Nobody's gonna know I'm wearing a Supreme sweater unless they know their stuff. So let's zip it up and take a look. This is how it looks. It's a little big, but I'll grow into it. Another small detail is that the inside of the pockets are red. Alright guys, that was the sweater. Definitely worth $160. Very light, very comfortable, very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. So as I always do it, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.
We doing big pimpin', we spendin' cheese. Check 'em out now. Big pimpin' on BLAD. We doing big pimpin' up in NYC.
Also, if any of you guys want this box logo sticker, leave a comment down below saying BOGO for me, and I will choose a winner next week. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.
Big Papa smash fools, bash fools, niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9s. Any motherfucker whispering about mine. And I'm Brooklyn's finest.